Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today I'm making a orange creamsicle salad. And believe me, it looks really good. So, let's get started. Well friends, it's that time of day again where we have to try stuff. So this salad, this orange creamsicle salad, is looking mighty fine. So, yeah. Marshmallows, mandarin orange, vanilla pudding, orange jello, and whipped topping. Oh goodness. Oh yes. You can definitely tell it's an orange salad. That's really good. I like that. Kind of tastes like a creamsicle popsicle that you buy in the store. That's really good. We're gonna have this maybe as a side. It's more of a side, I think, than a dessert. So I guess we'll see. I don't know. But thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you could, hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps us grow our channel. And you have a wonderful day. We'll see you next video. Bye-bye.